Oh hey, what's up? You want to know what packs a lot of power in a little package? It's the 21st century. I'm talking about a vacuum. Hello everyone! How is everyone? Me? Oh, I'm fine. I'm pretty good. I'm just checking out a lot of cool new products like we do on this channel all the time. Subscribe to the videos. We would all appreciate it very much. And if you do that, turn on that notification bell so you know when we drop more episodes of Good Tech Cheap. Alright, big things do come in small packages, and I am talking about the Brigii 3-in-1 handheld vacuum. Oh yes, this is a cordless vacuum. It is very small, but it packs a powerful punch. It is beautifully designed, and it has some very useful accessories that you would not normally think of when it comes to a vacuum like this. It's not just a portable vacuum. Oh, no. It's also an air duster, and it's a hand pump. If you actually want to get clothes that you need for travel compressed down and get rid of the air, there's an accessory for that. If you want to blow crumbs and things from your keyboard or get the dust out of your camera, there's an accessory for that. Plus, it's also a vacuum. So yeah, we're talking about multiple accessories for different occasions. We have 5 combinations here that can be used. Like I mentioned, keyboard cleaner, you can clean the interior of your car. It also has a hose attachment that you can use to reach places handheld vacuums like this with their normally very rigid construction and design would not be able to get to. It works continuously for 25 minutes of strong suction power. It'll charge between 3 and 4 hours, so not too much of a problem there. And the filter is washable, allowing you to extend the life of it and maintain that strong suction power. There's a stainless steel filter and a HEPA filter. The combination of both is also going to remove airborne particles from your environment, which is a very helpful thing to have happen. And all of this can be yours if you click on the link in the description below. It's $48.99, which is a very competitive price for these features, for that charging time, for the ergonomic design, for the strong suction power, and for all the different accessories that come with it. All right, it's vacuum testing time. Are you excited? Me too. We're going to start by removing it from its travel case. Very nice of them to supply that so you can keep your vacuum and all of its accessories together. Vacuum and accessories. It was fun to play around with all these. We'll show you what they can do. All right, that's everything. Why don't we do a coffee cleanup test first? That's always fun. So we're going to take our vacuum and we're going to attach our hose nozzle to that. And you notice that it can bend in many different directions. So if you have hard to reach places, this is going to be your go-to right here. We're going to power on our vacuum. I like the sound of that. All right. Nice to point out that the vacuum had no trouble actually getting into this indented area on the cutting board and cleaning all the coffee from it. Very good stuff. All right, well, let's take out that accessory and put in this adjustable one right here. You can see that, right? So you have a brush frame if you want it, suction if you don't. So if you feel that. Oops. Bit of a demonstration of the suction power right here. And check it out. If you want to create a pinpoint suction area, you're able to do that because these accessories are interchangeable on the hose. Another thing you can do is remove this entirely, and if you want a blower, just put it where the exhaust comes out. And that's very handy if you have electronics like I do, where you actually want to get rid of dust in areas like this. Pretty neat, right? The other thing you're able to do, and I don't have any travel bags, so I can just show it to you, is that there's an accessory right here that you can use as a pump to actually get air out of travel bags for clothes, or if you have food that you want to just suction and get all the air out of so it preserves better. That is what this is for. That's probably something I should invest in. There's your economic tip of the day. Anyway, these are all the accessories, and what we're going to do is just put them right back in the bag. And you're good to go. Well, I'd like to thank Brigii for sponsoring this video. The vacuum was fun to check out. Testing out all the accessories was cool. They all worked. They're easy to use. Once again, link in the description below. It is $48.99, which is a great price. That's what we do here on Good Tech Cheap. And we also wrap up our videos because I think this one is pretty much good to go. So, from Los Angeles, California, I've been your host, Kevin. Stay safe, be kind. I'll see you next time. Bye.